What's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this glueless install on this 5x5 closure that was sent to me by Tinashe Hair. Thank you, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. is the completed look. I love this hair. Like, what was that? Like, what was said? What? Oh, okay. Do y'all see this? When I bring it forward, this hair is so thick. Hair is super full. It gets mad straight. Like, it gets bone straight because it's straight hair at the end of the day. But guys, this hair is mad cute. Like, glueless installed me all summer at this point because I just love something easy and quick, and that's exactly what this hair gives. I did some minimal plucking and I did bleach the knots on this wig. I left the bleach on for like 20 minutes. I probably should have left it on a little bit longer. This is gonna be a banger for them quick little vibes. Oh, we finna go out here, but you only got like an hour to get ready. This is one of them ones. The shipping was quick. The shipping took about 3 or 4 business days. The luster is on point. It's soft, minimal shedding. I can run my fingers through it a lot without a lot of shedding. So the one con that I do have is that the cap is really big. I don't know if you'll be able to select the cap size, but the wig is kind of big on my head. Like, I wish it laid a little bit flatter, but maybe it's just because I have a big head. Who even knows, honestly? So if you guys are looking for an affordable 5x5 closure wig, definitely hit up Tinashe Hair. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to save some money shopping with Tinashe Hair, my code will be up on the screen or in the description box below. So don't forget to check out the description box, like and comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.